Good morning, teachers. Welcome back to my channel, TeacherBelle. And if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe. Today we are going to talk about how to make a teacher digital portfolio and what are the things or information that you can put in it. We assume different roles every single day. It's really endless, but taking time to compile all your amazing works and excellent things that you do inside your classroom will save you time and energy in the near future. Your digital portfolio can actually be your edge during your job applications because, admit it or not, we can never tell everything in just a 30-minute interview. We do take time on social media posting our excellent and amazing things that we do inside the classroom. We do that, so why not just put it in a one-stop shop website? In case you don't need it for job interviews or job applications, then you'll have something to look back at when we age in the near future, but not too soon. So I researched on some websites that I can use for my digital portfolio, like WordPress, Google Site, and Weebly.com. But I like Weebly.com the most. I think it is the most user-friendly for beginners, just like me. Although I do maintain my personal website using WordPress. I have used WordPress for almost 7 years now. I love it though, but it's more on family and blog website. If you are new to WordPress, it's quite hard to get a grip of all the features. I have seen a lot of teachers also use Google Site during the pandemic where we used to teach online, and I quite find it conventional, although it's really very interesting and user-friendly. When I was visualizing my digital portfolio, I'm kind of looking for something with a very easy layout feature, something that has templates where I can easily insert photos, captions, videos, descriptions, and those kind. But most importantly, I'm looking for something that's easy to navigate, and when you make changes or edits, you can see it real time. And I found these features on Weebly.com. So as I was researching on the things that I need to put or that are necessary to put in a digital portfolio, I came across this common information. So these are the things that you can put also on your portfolio. So a brief background of yourself, but you don't mention everything. Your teaching philosophy, of course, your classroom management, your lesson plan or your curriculum that you're expert at, how you assess, how you monitor, and how you track progress. Also, parent communication, your school activities or community activities, your educational background, and your experiences in detail. And of course, last but not the least, your contact information. And let's do a live demo. So here are the 5 steps. Number 1, of course, you sign up. You create your website title. You categorize your skills through the Pages tab. You choose your theme and then build your content.
So let's go back to step number 1, which is sign up. So you need to go to Weebly.com in order to sign up, and you will be redirected to some of the information that you need to fill up, like your name, your email address. And the second step is for you to put in your website title. So as for me, I just chose the one that's free. So, and you can see here that it never expires. So let's go back to step number 3, where you will have to build your website. So go back to overview and click edit site on the right top corner. Step 3, which is categorize your website through pages. So here we go. These are the categories I've thought about. So first one is career track, classroom, and qualifications. So when you want to add more tabs, you can just click this one, plus. Choose if it's standard page, blog page, or category page. I just use the standard page. Okay, and let's say contacts. Okay, as you can see, once you edit here on the left side bar, it changes real time. So look at that, new page. I have not saved it yet, so the title is new page. So there you go. Now that I have all my 3 categories, I'm gonna go back to the theme tab. Okay, this is where you can choose different themes for your website, and they have a ton of theme gallery that you can choose from. Okay, depending on how you want to showcase your portfolio. So again, once you choose your theme, it will automatically change. So this is the theme I used. It's just like a blackboard. And then once you are done with your theme, you go back to the build page, and our 5th step is to now build your content. So this is what I like best in weebly.com. It has the features right in front of you. So you can just drag if you want to add a title, unlike wordpress.com, where you need to preview your edits before you can see the changes. So this is my website in wordpress.com. This is my personal website. So as you can see, the features are not there. You have to figure it out on your own on this side. But overall, I like it because it also has different features, but these are things that I don't want to put in my digital portfolio. So this is only for my personal website. Now going back to our teacher portfolio. So there you go. In the career track category, I put here about me, my teaching philosophy, and I decided to put the career highlights on the landing page. So that way, when I give my digital resume, they can easily grasp the things that I have been working on. Now, when you click the classroom tab, you'll see here information about my classroom culture. So there you go. You can actually insert image. Just grab this button here and then just put it anywhere. So it's very user friendly. You will not go wrong with this website. Okay. Some of the features also are the gallery. So you can use this if you want to put more photos on one screen, just like this one. So here you go. You can add and edit photos here. Look at that. Okay. And they can just navigate through it, through the arrows. Okay. So in my classroom corner, I have here my classroom management, my classroom setup, lesson plan, and my parent communication. So I usually put the image first and then the description, the slideshow, the description, and at the bottom I have my classroom experience, where I put all my various teaching experiences. So from handling 2 to 4 years old, first grade, and third grade. I'm still working on this one. Now, if you want to insert videos, there's a fee for this one. You have to pay in order to use this feature. So what I did is to just upload it on my YouTube channel, and I just put the link of the YouTube here, because at the bottom you can also insert YouTube videos. Okay, so this feature here. Now let's go to my third tab, which is the qualifications. Okay, Okay, so in my qualifications, I have here my educational background, my extracurricular activities, the things I do outside of the school or outside the classroom, my community involvement, some of my expertise, and of course the licenses and examinations I have taken, and my work experiences in detail. So this is actually my paper resume. So those are our 5 steps in building your digital portfolio. So as you can see, this is very user friendly, and I hope you learned something from this. Let me know if you have questions.
Again, thank you for watching, and I hope you did learn something from today's video. If you do have questions, please leave them on the comment section, and I will try my best to answer them. Thank you and have a great day. Bye.